What up, world? Ed Pierce here. Welcome back to the show. And today we're gonna be talking about real estate and how do you make money with wholesale real estate. Stay tuned.
Can call me daddy Ed, but I ain't giving out no bread. It's okay, Ed. Okay.
So, welcome back to my video, you know what I mean? And if you don't know about me, I'm a real estate investor here in Memphis, Tennessee, you feel me? And I've been flipping houses for the past like 5 years or whatever. And now I buy and hold, and I just want to put you guys up on game, how to make some money, you know what I mean? So this what you gonna do, right? To wholesale real estate. First, let's find out what is wholesale real estate. Wholesale real estate is finding a house for a cheap price and finding someone who wants to buy it at a cheap price. You know what I mean? It's very simple, just like that. So what you need to do is find a house for cheap and find someone who wants to buy it. That's pretty much what being a wholesaler is. So doing wholesale real estate, you have to get out here and grind, you feel me? It's a lot of different ways of finding people that we call motivated sellers. I have a whole video, I'll put that link probably right here or something, whole video about motivated sellers and how to find motivated sellers in 2020. But that's just one thing, you know what I mean? Because sometimes you may find people who aren't as motivated as they thought they were, you know? You will have to get them motivated by your sales pitch or just by building a relationship with these people, you know what I mean? It's always important to build a relationship. Business, you want to make sure that you are standing by your word, you're showing up on time, and you're always doing what you say you're gonna do. People look for you to do what you say you're gonna do, especially when it comes to these houses. It's the only way you'll be able to find a buyer who really wants to buy and trust you enough to even look at your property. I have a lot of people in Memphis say, hey man, I've been sending my properties to this guy for over a year, and they reply to your email, they won't reply to me. That's because I have built a relationship with these people. I've been closing houses with these people for years, so they won't mind looking at any property that I bring to them. So that's the type of relationship you want to build when you're doing wholesale real estate. Find as many houses as you can for a cheap price. It's a million ways of finding a house for a cheap price. I have a video about that also. Might not even put that link in here, it might just add a card, you know? Because I want you guys to understand wholesale real estate is where you guys can start building wealth. You can do it part-time. I have a lot of people saying, I work a job, I don't have time to do it. Find you a course that shows you how to do virtual wholesaling. Learn how to do virtual wholesaling. Learn how to outsource so that you can work your job and do wholesale real estate. 2020, it's more millionaires being made than ever. Don't you want to become one of them millionaires? I know I am. I've been getting to it for the past 5 years, and now I'm bringing all of this information to YouTube. I started a couple of years ago, but I didn't know if I wanted to put all of the information here on YouTube, but now I'm gonna do it. I feel like helping you guys is what you all will need, that little small boost of this free information that'll help you get to your next step. You say you want to make you some extra money, you say you want to put up 10, 20,000, you can make that in a month easy with wholesale real estate. I have videos with testimonials showing people at the closing office with me. We getting checks, baby. Ask yourself, do you want to keep working a job forever? In 2020, it's so many people over the age of 65 who are still working a job. And not just by choice. Do you want to be one of those people who's 65 working a job not by choice? Do you want to be 65 years old and still not able to travel the world? I'm not talking about traveling the United States, I mean the world. See some of the things that we all want to see, the things that we see on TV. Ask yourself, are you ready to change your life for the better? Give up the small things. I mean, every day I hear people saying, I want to do this, I want to do that, I need more money, I need this and that. Real estate, it's so simple. And now that the internet is here, I mean, it's free money, free game. Guys, that is free money out here, I promise. Just use these methods. Check out that video, finding motivated sellers online, and you can find them for free. And start making you some of this free money. You say you want to be a wholesaler, so this video should motivate you. It should motivate you. Hit any of my links on the side. I'll make sure I make a playlist. My real estate investing playlist. Watch all of the videos in there so you can get motivated and see my road and my journey, how I got to this point. Peace out, guys. Ed Pierce. Oh.